not to save energy, but provide the stealth to hide and strike. The same evolutionary demands have shaped some of the cat's cutest behaviors, like the instinct to find a safe place to hide from enemies and to leap out and prey. Small but powerful, an average house cat can leap 5 times its own height.
I didn't know that.
Some even more. Climbing a tree in pursuit of dinner can prove dangerous. One slip could end in disaster. Even if they fall upside down, they can turn and land on their feet in as little as 30 centimeters. That's not as simple as it sounds. In fact, at first it seems to defy the laws of physics. As the cat begins falling, her legs rotate, allowing her to perform a seemingly impossible mid-air adjustment, all in a fraction of a second. Before hitting the ground, all 4 legs reach out to act as shock absorbers, an ability useful for survival in forest or high-rise jungle, where their curiosity can trip them up.
I'm Dr. Kohar Garma. I'm one of the veterinarians here at Cats Only Veterinary Clinic located in Vancouver, BC. This is the time of year now that we start to see what's called high-rise syndrome. And what that refers to is cats falling or jumping off of balconies and then ending up